Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a kick and ban commands. This is extending from the warn and mute commands I made. If you want to just copy and paste the code I have, then you can check out my GitHub in the description. I put all the code there, and yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to make a command file. It's called kick.js, and we're going to use the same kind of format that I have for the warn commands. Again, if you don't have this code, look on my GitHub. So we're just going to copy it, and we're just going to paste it in. First change we have to make is we need to change manage messages to kick members. Now we can come down here and change this to user kicked, and we're going to change this to you are kicked. And now here we are going to have to put await, so we will try and send the message to the person before actually kicking them. Okay, so now we've made that, we're going to use one little line of code, and it's just member.kick. Okay, and yeah, we can put the reason in here quite simply just by putting reason. See, that was really quick, and this is most probably going to be a very quick video. Now we can go to ban.js, and we have to just make a few minor changes. We're going to change kick members to ban members. We're going to change this to user banned, and we're going to change this to you were banned. Now give me one little second, I'm going to have to go and look at the API docs because I've forgotten how to do this. Okay, I am back. It is quite simple. We're just going to change this code here to message.guild.members.ban, then user.id. It is not user.id, it is user. If you have any other concerns about that, you can have a look at the Discord.js documentation. Let's continue with the video. Has been banned by, okay. Now, up here, we are going to change this code. So we're going to change it to if member. Then we're going to make sure if message.member, why not message.member, if member.has permission manage messages, and then return, say message.reply, you cannot ban this person. Okay. And for kick, we're just going to take this line of code, go over here, just paste that in there. Okay, so that code is now done. I hope this has been helpful to some of you. Please like, comment and subscribe. Dislike the video if you didn't like it. Sorry for having to publish it this late at night. I was very busy today. Anywho, have a nice night, I guess.